What's up, guys? The big dog in the house. I'm chilling in my RV. Got the heat on.
Let me ask you this. I mean, what are you doing out there?
Just relaxing and maxing. Checking out the snowfall. They said a bunch of stuff on the news, the blizzard. I still haven't really seen nothing. But that's how it looks outside right now. That's where I'm parked at. And my job, I just came off not too long ago. But yeah, this is RV living. This is how I do it. I'm chilling. Got the heat on. I got the van on. Just hanging out, not doing nothing really. I haven't been doing anything. Just working. Little teeny weeny upgrades that I've done on here. You know, I repainted same colors again. I repainted the inside on my days off. Changed some stuff around, and not really much to show. You know, put new handles on my drawers there. My kitchen stuff. I don't know if you can see it from there. Just, you know, new buttons and stuff. That's all. Painted remember that was wood. Those doors were not painted. I finished painting those doors gray there. And then that's it. I haven't really been doing nothing. Just checking on the other people's videos and stuff. And I found this phone a long while ago. And the other day I found it in here, and I was just playing with it. I think it's a Samsung something, and nobody claimed it, so I'm playing with it now. And I found these features here with dual camera, you know, and I'm just playing with it now. Just, you know, something cool. So when I hit that road, I got something to show. You know, talk and show. I think it's cool. New gadgets. It's starting to pick up now. You know, it's kind of windy. It's starting to snow a little more. You know, everything looks cool. Everything looks nice. Just, you know, I don't have really nothing to say. You know, just you know, working, saving up my money again. Hoping I can do this. I'm dying to hit this road. You don't know. I'm dying to hit this road. It's been so hard for me. But I know I'm going to do it soon. I just got to give it time. But this will be my second winter in the RV. Have no regrets. I love it. Freedom. Something us RVers know the feeling, but people that don't know the feeling, they don't know what us RVers feel doing this lifestyle, you know? The freedom and so great, you know? And that freedom is awesome, man. Freedom is awesome. Doing whatever you want to do. Stuff is awesome. Yeah. Well, let me go back. Just want to make a little quick video. You know, I haven't done videos and stuff, and I haven't really been doing nothing, like I said. You know, nothing really to show about. But I always want to make a video and you know, let people know that I'm still alive and stuff. Watching these guys, these goofballs, Wanderlust Estate, you know, Eric, RV, RV Prepper, you know, and Living Free, and the rest of it. It's so enjoyable watching the videos, man. It's like in a soap opera for us RVers, you know. It's just so cool. It's so cool. It really is. It's so cool. And I don't know. Without the videos, I think you'd be bored. I'm glad those videos. I watch. First thing I wake up in the morning, I check out Eric's, and Eric is like in his world of his own. I don't know. But he's on a lot of cool people out there. But you know, after I watch Eric's video, then I'm cool. I drink my coffee. The first thing I do in the morning is check to see Eric's video, how he's doing. Oh man. But it's cool. It's cool. It's like a soap opera. It's cool. It's very cool. Alright guys, I ain't really got much to say. Like I said, I really haven't been doing anything. Just I don't know. Wintertime, so it's just like, you know, relaxing, maxing. That's about it. Waiting for the springtime now. So like I said, this is my second year in my RV. My second winter. And about my fourth, fifth blizzard in 2 years that I've been in my RV. It's nice and cozy in here. It's not cold outside for some reason. It's about almost 60 degrees in here without the heaters on. So it's comfortable. And I just came out of now, so most likely I'm gonna have to do a double shift. So I might have to come in tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So I'll be from 9 in the morning all the way to midnight, probably. So I'm trying to do all that good overtime. The more overtime, the more money I save. And the quicker I can get the hell out of here. You don't know how bad it is. I'm dying to leave. Oh, y'all don't know how bad. I'm just gonna take it easy. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Bye, guys. Take care. Don't let anybody let you down. Keep on trucking. People out there RVing in the winter, stay warm, stay safe. Whoever's caught up in this blizzard, be careful. Make sure you sweep up that snow from the top. It gets heavy. And be careful, man. It's crazy out here. Peace. What's up, guys? The big dog in the house. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to step outside to see the damage. Wow. A lot of snow in here. What's the damage so far? Not too bad. Still snow. Baby still. Not too bad. Probably got like about say about a foot of snow. Not too bad out here. See? Yeah. About a foot of snow. My roof is no snow on top, so that's good. I'm not worried about shoveling the snow on top of my RV. This is how it looks. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Yep. Not bad. So this is RV winter living. Not bad at all. Well, we'll go inside the office, drink some coffee, see who's gonna show up to work, or if I have to come to work now, do some overtime. Overtime is pretty good right now. Alright guys, talk to you later. Peace out.